How to disconnect the wiring on your 1000-watt hub motor scooter. Firstly, of course, you need to remove the battery. Just simply unplug the plug there and lift the battery out. Then undo these two Allen screws here. That will allow the controller cover to come off and the controller to come out. Now if you follow the wire back from your motor, you'll see that there are actually two connections. One is a simple connector there where you simply depress the latch and pull the two halves apart. Then the second one, which carries the current to the motor, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver just to remove these two screws. And you'll just be able to lift the lid off. Underneath you'll see 5mm nuts which require loosening. Just note at this stage as well, of course, they are colour coded, and that obviously yellow goes to yellow, blue goes to blue, and green goes to green. So simply remove those nuts, and you'll be able to then just lift off the ring terminal connectors. Such, put your block on one side. Then that cable will simply thread back through the body of the scooter, ready to work on the back end and removing the hub.